Welcome back to our Beginner English podcast.
Hi, Emma. Hi, listeners. I hope you're having a good day.
Today we're talking about one of my favorite topics, coffee shops. Today's episode is At the Coffee Shop.
Yes, we'll learn how to order drinks, ask questions, pay, and have simple, friendly conversations.
Before we start, Leo, do you go to coffee shops often?
Oh, yes. I love coffee. I go almost every weekend. What about you, Emma?
Me too. I like coffee and tea, and I enjoy the atmosphere.
Listeners, do you like coffee shops? Say, yes, I like coffee shops. Or, no, not really.
Great. Let's start. When you enter a coffee shop, the first thing you often say is, hello, or hi.
Very simple, very friendly.
Repeat. Hello.
Next, you usually want to order something. You can say, I'd like a coffee, please. I'd like a tea, please. I'd like a latte, please.
Repeat with us. I'd like a coffee, please. I'd like a tea, please. I'd like a latte, please.
Great! Now, the barista may ask, what size? Or small, medium, or large?
You can answer small, please. Medium, please. Large, please.
Listeners, repeat. Small, please. Medium, please. Large, please.
Perfect. Now, the barista may ask, do you want it hot or iced? Or for here or to go?
Repeat after us. Hot or iced? For here or to go?
And you can answer hot, please, iced, please, for here. To go.
Very simple and natural.
Now let's talk about extra options. The barista may ask, do you want sugar? Do you want milk? Do you want whipped cream?
Repeat. Do you want sugar? Do you want milk? Do you want whipped cream?
And answers, yes, please. No, thanks.
Great. Let's do a simple ordering conversation.
Hi.
Hello. What can I get for you?
I'd like a medium coffee, please.
Hot or iced?
Hot, please.
Do you want sugar or milk?
Yes, milk, please.
That's it. Your total is $3.50.
Here you go.
Thank you. Enjoy your coffee.
Thank you. Now let's learn some words for food and drinks at a coffee shop. Coffee, tea, latte, cappuccino, sandwich, cake, pastry, cookie, juice, water.
Repeat after us. Coffee, tea, latte, cappuccino, sandwich, cake, pastry, cookie, juice, water.
Perfect. Sometimes you want to ask questions. You can say, what do you recommend? Or, do you have any specials today?
Repeat. What do you recommend? Do you have any specials today?
Great.
Emma, let's do another conversation using these phrases.
Hi, can I help you?
Yes, I'd like a cappuccino, please.
Sure. Medium or large?
Medium, please.
Do you want milk?
No, thanks. Do you have any pastries?
Yes, we have a chocolate croissant.
I'll take one, please.
Great. Your total is $5.
Here you go.
Thank you. Enjoy your drink and pastry.
Thank you.
Listeners, repeat this conversation with us slowly.
Now, let's practice paying. Barista may ask, cash or card? Do you need a bag? Would you like a receipt?
Repeat, cash or card? Do you need a bag? Would you like a receipt?
Answers. Card, please. No bag, thanks. Yes, please. No receipt, thanks.
Perfect. Simple and easy.
Now let's talk about polite phrases to end the conversation. Thank you. Have a nice day. You too. Enjoy.
Repeat after us. Thank you. Have a nice day. You too. Enjoy.
Great. Let's do one final full conversation.
Hi. Welcome to our coffee shop.
Hello. I'd like a latte, please.
Medium or large?
Medium, please.
Hot or iced?
Hot, please.
Do you want sugar or milk?
Yes, milk, please.
Would you like a cookie?
Yes, please.
Your total is $6.
Here you go.
Thank you. Enjoy your latte and cookie.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Great job, everyone. Let's review what we learned today.
We practiced ordering drinks and food, asking size and temperature, asking about extras, milk, sugar, whipped cream, asking recommendations, paying and polite phrases.
And we practiced real conversations at a coffee shop.
Very useful for everyday life and traveling.
Thank you for listening. Keep practicing English every day.
See you in the next episode.
Bye.
Bye-bye.